The housing crisis context. To understand why motorhomes are becoming so popular, you have to look at what's happening with housing in America right now. Home prices in many states have doubled over the past decade, while wages haven't kept up. Rent in major cities like Los Angeles, Austin, Miami, and New York has reached levels that feel impossible for average families. Add property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and unexpected repairs, and the American dream starts to feel more like a financial trap. This is where motorhomes enter the conversation. A $90,000 motorhome may sound expensive at first, but when compared to a $400,000 starter home or even $2,500 monthly rent, it begins to make sense. There's no 30-year mortgage, no property tax bills, and no being stuck in one place. Americans are realizing that housing doesn't have to mean permanent debt. Instead of working just to pay rent, many are choosing mobility, flexibility, and lower monthly expenses. In 2026, this shift isn't a trend. It's a response to a system that no longer works for everyone. What if I told you that a $90,000 motorhome is quietly replacing houses across the United States? And most Americans don't even realize it yet? In 2026, more people than ever are choosing wheels over walls, freedom over mortgages, and experiences over square footage. Rising home prices, high interest rates, and the pressure of long-term debt have pushed many Americans to rethink what home really means. For some, home is no longer a fixed address. It's a moving lifestyle. This motorhome isn't just a vehicle. It's a fully functional home with a kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, workspace, and freedom built in. From retirees to remote workers, families and digital nomads, Americans are discovering that a six-figure house payment can be replaced with a one-time motorhome investment. And the most shocking part? For many people, this lifestyle actually costs less than renting an apartment. In this video, we're breaking down why this $90,000 motorhome is changing the way Americans live, travel, and think about housing in 2026, and whether it could realistically replace a traditional house for you, what you get for $90,000. So what exactly does a $90,000 motorhome offer that makes people compare it to a house? A modern Class C motorhome at this price point comes surprisingly well equipped. You're looking at a full kitchen with a refrigerator, microwave, stove, and storage. There's a real bathroom with a shower and toilet, not a compromised setup. Sleeping areas are thoughtfully designed, often including a queen-size bed, overhead bunk, and convertible dinette. Many models even include slide-outs that expand the living space when parked. Climate control systems keep the interior comfortable year-round, and solar setups allow off-grid living. Add smart TVs, Wi-Fi boosters, and workspace setups, and suddenly this motorhome becomes a mobile apartment. For remote workers in the United States, this is a game changer. Instead of paying rent in one city, they can work from national parks, coastal highways, or quiet small towns. It's not luxury for the sake of flash, it's practical, efficient living designed for modern American lifestyles. Monthly costs compared to a house. One of the biggest reasons Americans are switching to motorhomes is the monthly cost difference. Let's break it down realistically. A traditional house comes with a mortgage, property taxes, homeowners insurance, utilities, repairs, and HOA fees in many cases. Even renting adds up quickly with rent, utilities, parking, and rising annual increases. A motorhome, on the other hand, replaces most of those costs with a simpler structure. Monthly expenses typically include fuel, campground or RV park fees, insurance, and basic maintenance. Many full-time RVers in the U.S. report spending significantly less per month than they did living in a house or apartment. Some even boondock for free on public land, dramatically reducing expenses. When you remove long-term debt from the equation, financial stress drops noticeably. In 2026, Americans aren't just chasing cheaper living, they're chasing financial breathing room. And for many, a $90,000 motorhome delivers exactly that. Who is choosing this lifestyle? This motorhome lifestyle isn't limited to one type of person. Retirees love it because it allows them to travel while controlling costs. Remote workers and freelancers see it as freedom from expensive cities. Young couples are using motorhomes to avoid crushing rent while exploring the country. Even families are joining in, homeschooling kids while traveling full-time. In the United States, this shift reflects a deeper cultural change. Americans are questioning traditional timelines, Buy a house, settle down, work forever, and replacing them with flexibility and experience-based living. Social media has also played a major role, showing real people living comfortably on the road. What once seemed extreme now looks practical. This $90,000 motorhome represents more than transportation, it represents an alternative path. In 2026, choosing a motorhome over a house isn't seen as failure. It's seen as intentional living. Daily life inside a motorhome. Living full-time in a motorhome might sound complicated, but daily life is often simpler than expected. You wake up in your own space, cook your own meals, and follow a routine, just with a changing view outside your window. Laundry is done at campgrounds or local laundromats. Groceries are the same as any household. The difference is flexibility. If a location doesn't feel right, you move. If you want better weather, you drive toward it. Americans living this way often say they feel more present and less stressed. There's less clutter, fewer distractions, and more time spent outdoors. The $90,000 motorhome isn't about sacrificing comfort. It's about redefining it. Comfort becomes freedom, simplicity, and control over your time. For many in the U.S., that trade-off is more than worth it. The downsides you should know. Of course, motorhome living isn't perfect, and it's important to be honest about the downsides. Space is limited, and storage requires careful planning. Maintenance issues can happen, especially if you're constantly on the move. Weather can be a challenge, and driving a large vehicle takes adjustment. There's also the reality of finding places to park legally and comfortably. However, many Americans say these challenges are manageable with preparation. In 2026, RV infrastructure in the U.S. is better than ever, with more parks, hookups, and digital tools for planning. The key difference is mindset. This lifestyle works best for people who value flexibility over permanence. The $90,000 motorhome isn't a magic solution, but for the right person, it's a powerful alternative to traditional housing. Why 2026 is the turning point. So why is 2026 such a critical year for this shift? The answer lies in technology, economics, and culture aligning at the same time. Remote work is now normal. RV designs are smarter and more efficient. Fuel efficiency and solar technology have improved. And Americans are prioritizing lifestyle choices that give them more control. This $90,000 motorhome sits at the center of all those changes. It's affordable compared to housing, functional for work and family life, and flexible enough to adapt to uncertain times. In the United States, people aren't just reacting, they're redesigning how they live. And motorhomes are no longer niche. They're part of the mainstream housing conversation. Is it really replacing houses? Is this motorhome actually replacing houses, or is it just an upgrade to travel life? The answer depends on perspective. For many Americans, this motorhome is their primary residence. They receive mail, work full-time, raise families, and live normal lives, just without a fixed address. While it won't replace houses for everyone, it's undeniably replacing the need for traditional housing for a growing group of people. In 2026, housing is no longer one-size-fits-all. The $90,000 motorhome proves that a home doesn't have to be tied to land, it can move with you. Closing and call to action. So the real question isn't whether a $90,000 motorhome can replace a house, it's whether it fits your definition of home. For millions of Americans in 2026, this lifestyle offers freedom, affordability, and flexibility that traditional housing no longer provides. If you value experiences over square footage, mobility over permanence, and financial control over long-term debt, this might be the future of living. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more real-life RV and motorhome content, and comment below. Would you live in a motorhome instead of a house? Your answer might surprise you.